Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make two envelopes with a heart. Let's go! The first envelope. Fold in half, unfold. Rotate and fold both upper corners to the center line. Fold this part back along this edge. Fold both corners inside as I'm showing. Turn over and fold the edge down. Fold both corners down. Fold the bottom edge of the bill under the heart. Fold the corners back. Fold the bottom edge up. Unfold and make a mountain fold. The first option of the envelope is completed. The origami can stand. The second envelope. Fold in half, unfold. Rotate and fold both corners to the center line. Fold this part back along this edge. Turn over and fold both corners back. Fold the corners inside. Fold the bottom edge up as I'm showing. Fold the excess part down. Unfold and fold both upper corners to the center line. Fold the top down. Fold it inside. The second option of the envelope is completed. Which origami do you like more? Write your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!